Good morning, children. We have started the animal kingdom and the two phylum we already finished. The Porifera example Cyclone and the second phylum Cnidaria example Hydra we already finished. Now the third phylum Ctenophora. The Ctenophora example sea walnut or comb jellies. It is called comb jellies because the body bears 8 ciliated comb plates. The comb plates which help in the motion, locomotion to the animals. So the Ctenophora, the first characteristic is they are exclusively marine, diploblastic. Diploblastic, we already discussed the body wall is made up of two layers, that is ectoderm and endoderm. The body is radially symmetrical. Radially symmetrical, when we cut the animal from the center in any plane, the body is divided into two equal halves by any plane, comma, with tissue level. With tissue level, no organ systems are present in the group of organization. And the next one is the body bear eight ciliated comb plates that help in locomotion. So the locomotory organs are complete. The next is they are bioluminescence. Bioluminescence means they emit light. Emit light, so bioluminescence are present in ctenophores. So they are bioluminescent, they emit the light, and the next one they are hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite, the male and female gametes are produced by the same organism, and the fertilization external. Fertilization is external, mean the gametes are produced outside and the fertilization takes place outside the body. The development indirect. So the larval stage is there, the egg larva, then the adult is formed. The example we already written, comb jellies, exclusively marine, bears emit light, bioluminescence, and hermaphrodite. So these are the points of the characteristic feature of the Ctenophora. Next, the fourth one, this is the third phylum. Now the fourth phylum we discussed the Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes are commonly called the flatworm. Dorsiventral flattened. So these are the Platyhelminthes. So first point is like this, they are dorsaleaf-like. Dorsiventrally flattened. So these are the structure like the leaf-like. Bilateral symmetry. They cut only at the one plane and divided into two equal parts. So this type of symmetry is called bilateral symmetry. Body is triploblastic. Triploblastic means triploblastic. The 3 germ layers are present: ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. Acoelomate. Acoelomate. Coelom is absent, and the organ level of organization of body. Yani organs are present. Up to here the ctenophora, the tissue level is present, and now in the platyhelminthes the organ system is started. So organ level of organization is there. The next they are mostly parasite. They are parasites, so for the attachment in the body, so they are endoparasite. They take the food from the host. So for the attachment, for the egg ring, the hooks are or the suckers are present. So they take the food with the help of hooks and sucker. So hooks or sucker, hook or sucker are found in the parasites. In parasite for the absorption of food, and the flame cells for osmoregulation. The flame cells are there, and for the excretion also. So excretory organ or osmoregulatory organ is flame cells. The fertilization internal. The fertilization is internal, and the development is direct. Development is indirect. Because it has to pass through the larval stage. Indirect, and they are hermaphrodite. So these are the features of the platyhelminthes. The body is dorsiventrally flattened, bilateral symmetry. The body is made up of 3 germ layers, coelom absent, organ level of organization is there. For the absorption of food in the parasitic form, the hooks or suckers are found. The flame cells for the osmoregulation and for the excretion. The fertilization is internal, the development is indirect, and the hermaphrodite. The example is Taenia. The example is Taenia. Taenia. Example is Taenia, and the next one is Fasciola. The Planaria is also there. Planaria, and the Fasciola hepatica is also there. Now we discuss the next, the Annelida, the next phylum Annelida, that is also called ringed worm animals. The body is divided in them is ring-like. The next phylum Annelida. The Annelida, or simply we can say the joint, body is divided into segments. So segmented body animals. Example, earthworm, and the blood-sucking animal Hirudinaria or the leech. They are aquatic or maybe terrestrial. The body is divided into bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry we already discussed in the starting. And the segmented body. For example, this is the animal, and the animals have the segments on the body. So metameric, these segments are called metamere, with organ level of organization. The cellular, the organ system is not present, but the organ are present. The aquatic, for example, nereis, the lateral appendages are there. Lateral appendages, the side wise the limbs are there, the appendages are there, they are called parapodia. So in the aquatic animal, the parapodia help for the swimming. And the nephridia for the osmoregulation and for the removal of waste excretion. The nervous system consists of a paired ganglia. They are dioecious, example nereis, and the earthworm monoecious, or simply we can say these are the unisexual animal and the earthworm is a bisexual. So maybe unisexual and bisexual. Sorry. The next phylum is Arthropoda. It is the largest animal, includes all the insects. So the largest phylum is Arthropoda, or simply we can say the jointed legged animal. Example honeybees, anopheles, and all the king crab, housefly, all are in the Arthropoda. So largest phylum include insects, all the insects. They have the organ system. Up to here the organ level of organization is there. Here the organ system of level of organization. So now the organ system are present. The body is triploblastic. Triploblastic, as we know, triploblastic. As we know, they are made up of 3 layers. Bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry. You have to at least 2 example and the characteristic feature. So bilateral symmetry is there, and the exoskeleton, the outer covering, the body is covered by exoskeleton made up of chitin, or exoskeleton chitinous, chitin, the exoskeleton made up of chitin. The body is divided, the body is divided into head, where the mouth parts are present, where the sense organs are present, the thorax and abdomen. The lower part is called abdomen. They have jointed legs, jointed appendages, or the jointed appendages or leg for movement. The respiratory system or the respiratory organs are tracheal. The tracheates are there. Tracheal system. The book lungs are there, and some of them are having the gills. So some can respire through the trachea, some are through the book lungs and the gills. The circulatory system is open circulatory system, and the excretion through the Malpighian tubule. So we write the next point.